Welcome to Review Lab. The best collapsible laundry basket is probably one of the most versatile and space-saving solutions for any home, especially for those living in apartments, dorm rooms, or anyone looking to declutter their living space. Imagine a laundry basket that can magically expand to hold a full load of clothes and then shrink down to a fraction of its size when not in use, making storage a breeze and keeping your laundry area tidy and organized. This innovative design not only solves the common problem of bulky, cumbersome laundry baskets but also adds a touch of modern convenience to your daily chores, transforming a mundane task into a more efficient and enjoyable experience. Number 5. Lifewit 80L Collapsible Laundry Basket. Tired of flimsy laundry baskets that collapse? This one features a reinforced frame, ensuring it stands upright on its own, even when empty. It's ready whenever you need it. Don't let its collapsible nature fool you. This basket boasts an ultra-large 80-liter capacity, easily holding multiple loads of laundry. It's perfect for everything from dirty clothes to wet towels. Moving laundry day just got easier. With reinforced, comfortable handles, you can carry it with one or two hands, even when full. Taking it up or downstairs is no longer a chore. Crafted from premium polyester and cotton with a waterproof PE coating, it keeps your items dry. Simply wipe it clean with a damp cloth for easy maintenance. When not in use, this basket folds flat for convenient storage. It's the perfect solution for keeping your living space tidy, whether at home, in a dorm, or on the go. Ideal for your laundry room, bedroom, or bathroom, its compact design fits anywhere. It's also great for college dorms, RVs, and even hotel stays. What we like? This one boasts a freestanding structure, ensuring it stays upright even when empty. Its ultra-large capacity handles multiple loads with ease. If you have a large family or tend to do laundry less frequently, this is a fantastic choice for its sheer volume and stability. What people say? They are lightweight but still very sturdy and stand upright on their own without flopping over, which makes them much easier to use than other hampers I've had. Lined with odorless plastic. I can't think of any way to improve them and I bought 2 more. The most helpful feature is that it actually stands up on its own thanks to the stiff internal rods, which are simple to insert, preventing it from collapsing into a sad pile when empty. The waterproof coating inside is brilliant, protecting the fabric from damp towels and making it easy to wipe clean. Number 4. SAMMART 42L Collapsible Plastic Laundry Basket. Meet the SAMMART 42L Collapsible Plastic Laundry Basket, your new solution for laundry day. It's designed for both convenience and durability. This basket features a user-friendly pop-up design that opens instantly for use. When not in use, it collapses flat, making storage incredibly simple. It expands to a generous size, perfect for large loads, yet folds down to just 2.7 inches. This means it saves over 70% of storage space, fitting easily in closets or under beds. Carrying your laundry is now more comfortable. The built-in comfort grip handles reduce strain, even when the basket is fully loaded. Designed with sturdy walls and rigid angles, it maintains its shape even with heavy items. You can rely on its long-lasting performance. Rest assured, this basket is crafted from BPA-free materials, ensuring safety for your family and your belongings. Beyond laundry, it's perfect for storing toys, clothes, or even as a car trunk organizer. Keep any space neat and tidy with this versatile container. What we like? This option features a user-friendly pop-up and foldable design for instant use and flat storage. Its space-saving efficiency is remarkable, collapsing to just 2.7 inches. If you live in a small apartment or dorm and need a hamper that disappears when not in use, this is perfect for you. What people say? It's the perfect size for a full load of laundry, making it easy to carry without being too bulky. I love that it folds down for storage when not in use. It can collapse for space saving or when you open it up has a very large capacity for a lot of clothes. It is lightweight but very sturdy and durable. The collapsible design is the real standout. It folds down flat, which makes it incredibly easy to store in a closet or between the washer and dryer when not in use. Despite being foldable, the basket feels sturdy and well made. It easily holds a full load of laundry without bowing or feeling flimsy. Number 3. House Again Mesh Pop-Up Laundry Hamper, Black. Introducing a laundry hamper designed for durability and convenience. It's built to last, easily holding up to 48 pounds of laundry. Thanks to its breathable mesh design, this hamper promotes airflow. This helps prevent odors, keeping your laundry area fresh. Setting it up is a breeze. It pops open easily and stands on its own. When not in use, it folds away in seconds, saving you valuable space. The wide opening makes loading clothes simple, and it can hold a week's worth of laundry. Plus, a handy side pocket keeps small items organized. This versatile hamper isn't just for laundry, it's perfect for toys or crafts too. Its portable design makes it ideal for any setting, from home to travel. We stand by our product's quality. If you encounter any issues, please reach out, and we'll be happy to assist you. What we like. With its breathable mesh design, this hamper promotes airflow to prevent odors. It's incredibly easy to pop up and folds away in seconds. If you're concerned about laundry smells or need a quick and convenient solution, especially for a dorm room, this ventilated option is ideal. What people say. The collapsible laundry basket is a great space saver, folding flat when not in use. It's lightweight and easy to carry, even when full. The sturdy handles make it convenient to transport laundry. Number 2. FairyHaus 78L Laundry Basket 2-Pack. Tired of multiple trips to the laundry room? This large capacity hamper holds up to 78 liters, easily managing even your biggest loads. Keep everything contained in one place. Moving laundry is a breeze with our thoughtfully designed handles. Whether you prefer hand or shoulder carrying, transporting clothes up or downstairs is now strain-free and convenient. Crafted from high-quality, waterproof polyester fabric, this hamper is built to withstand daily use. The waterproof coating ensures your clothes stay dry and protected, even in humid conditions. Thanks to its sturdy frame, this hamper maintains its shape and stands upright on its own. For best results, distribute your laundry evenly to ensure stability. When laundry day is done, simply fold it flat for easy storage. This space-saving design is perfect for apartments, dorms, or any home where space is a premium. What we like. This comes as a 2-pack, each with a large capacity perfect for big loads. The durable, waterproof fabric ensures longevity and protection for your clothes. If you're looking for a reliable, long-term solution for a busy household and want to minimize trips to the laundry room, this 2-pack is a great value. What people say. The collapsible laundry basket is a great space saver, folding flat when not in use. It's surprisingly sturdy for its lightweight design, holding a full load of laundry without issue. The handles are comfortable to grip, making it easy to carry from room to room. Number 1. SpaceAid 110L Collapsible Laundry Hamper. Introducing our large capacity laundry hamper, designed to hold up to 110 liters of clothes. Its tall and slim design maximizes storage while minimizing floor space, perfect for any room. Keep your laundry area fresh and clean with its convenient lid. It effectively seals away odors and dust, and can be easily opened with just one hand when needed. Our hamper is engineered to always stand upright. With a sturdy bamboo frame and detachable rods, it maintains its shape and won't collapse, ensuring easy use right out of the box. Carrying your laundry is a breeze thanks to its durable and smooth bamboo handles. It's designed for comfortable transport, even for seniors and children, making trips up and down stairs simple. Beyond laundry, this hamper offers versatile storage for toys, blankets, or other household items. Its natural bamboo and cloth design adds an attractive, modern touch to your home decor. When not in use, it conveniently folds flat for easy storage. This makes an ideal solution for small spaces, camping trips, or RV adventures. What we like. This hamper includes a lid to keep odors and dust at bay, and it's designed to always stay upright. Its natural bamboo and cloth design adds an attractive aesthetic to your home. If you prioritize a clean look, odor control, and a stylish appearance, this hamper is an excellent choice for your bedroom or bathroom. What people say. The 110-liter capacity is impressively large, making it perfect for keeping all my laundry neatly contained without overflowing. The bamboo handles give it a stylish, modern touch while also making it super easy to carry from room to room. The lid is a huge bonus, keeping everything looking tidy and preventing laundry from being visible. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.